Today, we will break down all major unmanned aerial vehicles produced in the United States. So let's begin. Strategic and high-altitude UAVs. Northrop Grumman RQ-4 Global Hawk, a high-altitude, long-endurance UAV designed for strategic reconnaissance. It provides persistent surveillance over vast areas with advanced sensors. RQ-4B Global Hawk, an improved production variant with enhanced payload and sensor capability. It became the primary operational version used by the U.S. Air Force. EQ-4B Global Hawk, an electronic intelligence and communications relay variant of the Global Hawk. It supports signals intelligence and battlefield connectivity missions. Lockheed Martin RQ-170 Sentinel, a stealth reconnaissance UAV derived from advanced U-2 technologies. It is optimized for intelligence gathering in contested airspace. Lockheed Martin RQ-180, a next-generation stealth strategic UAV believed to replace earlier high-altitude platforms. It is designed for deep penetration reconnaissance against advanced air defenses. Northrop Grumman MQ-4C Triton, a maritime surveillance variant of the Global Hawk developed for naval operations. It provides wide-area ocean monitoring and maritime domain awareness. Next, strike and ISR UAVs. General Atomics MQ-1 Predator, a pioneering UAV that combined reconnaissance with precision strike capability. It reshaped modern warfare through persistent armed surveillance. MQ-1 StingRay, an enhanced Predator variant operated by the U.S. Army. It offers extended endurance, heavier payloads, and improved support for ground forces. MQ-9 Reaper, a more powerful successor to the Predator with increased speed, range, and weapons capacity. It serves as the primary armed UAV of the U.S. Air Force. MQ-20 Avenger, Predator C, a jet-powered UAV designed for higher speed and survivability. It bridges the gap between conventional drones and stealth combat UAVs. MQ-25 Stingray, a carrier-based unmanned aircraft developed primarily for aerial refueling missions. It represents the U.S. Navy's first operational carrier-based UAV. MQ-8 Fire Scout, a rotary-wing UAV designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and targeting missions. It extends the operational reach of naval and ground forces. MQ-1 BER, an extended-range variant of the Predator optimized for longer endurance missions. It enhanced persistence during intelligence and strike operations. Next, tactical reconnaissance UAVs. RQ-7 Shadow, a short-range tactical UAV designed to provide real-time battlefield surveillance. It supports ground forces with intelligence, targeting, and situational awareness. RQ-11 Raven, a lightweight hand-launched UAV used by infantry units for close-range reconnaissance. It enables rapid assessment of terrain and enemy activity. RQ-20 Puma, a portable tactical UAV with extended endurance and improved sensors. It is widely used by land and naval forces for reconnaissance missions. RQ-21 Blackjack, a ship-capable tactical UAV designed for expeditionary and maritime operations. It enhances intelligence collection for the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. AeroVironment Switchblade 300, a loitering munition combining reconnaissance and precision strike capability. It allows small units to identify and immediately engage targets. Insitu ScanEagle, a long-endurance, small UAV designed for persistent surveillance missions. It demonstrated the effectiveness of compact drones in sustained operations. Insitu Integrator, an advanced tactical UAV developed as a successor to the ScanEagle. It offers improved payload capacity, endurance, and multi-mission capability. Boeing Insitu Night Eagle, a variant optimized for nighttime and low-light operations. It enhances surveillance effectiveness in complex combat environments. Next, stealth and experimental UAVs. Boeing X-45, an experimental unmanned combat air vehicle developed to explore autonomous strike operations. It helped shape future concepts of unmanned combat aviation. Northrop Grumman X-47A Pegasus, a technology demonstrator created to test carrier-based unmanned aircraft concepts. It laid the groundwork for autonomous naval aviation. X-47B, a breakthrough UAV that successfully performed autonomous takeoffs and landings on aircraft carriers. It proved the feasibility of unmanned carrier-based operations. Lockheed Martin Polecat, a stealth experimental UAV developed using rapid prototyping techniques. It explored advanced, low-observable design concepts. Boeing Phantom Ray, a stealth UCAV prototype designed to test autonomous combat and reconnaissance missions. It contributed to future unmanned strike aircraft development. Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie, a low-cost, high-performance UAV designed to operate alongside manned fighters. It supports the loyal wingman and collaborative combat concepts. General Atomics Gambit, a next-generation autonomous combat aircraft concept developed for future air combat. It emphasizes adaptability, affordability, and AI integration. DARPA LongShot, an experimental concept for an unmanned aircraft capable of launching air-to-air missiles. It is designed to extend the combat reach of manned fighters. DARPA Gremlins, a program focused on reusable air-launched UAVs deployed from larger aircraft. It aimed to demonstrate rapid deployment and recovery of drone swarms. Skyborg, an autonomous combat UAV program designed to operate in coordination with piloted aircraft. It represents a key step toward AI-driven air warfare. Next, loitering munitions, kamikaze drones. Switchblade 300, a lightweight loitering munition designed for short-range precision strikes. It combines real-time reconnaissance with rapid target engagement for small units. Switchblade 600, a larger loitering munition capable of destroying armor targets. It provides infantry forces with organic anti-armor strike capability. Altius 600, a modular loitering munition designed for air, land, and sea launch. It supports networked and swarm-enabled operations. Altius 700, a larger and longer-range variant optimized for heavier payloads. It is intended for advanced strike and electronic warfare missions. Coyote Block 1, 2, and 3, a compact UAV family used for reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and counter-drone missions. Later variants added intercept and strike capabilities. Hero 120 U.S. variant, a loitering munition adapted for U.S. military requirements. It is designed to engage high-value and armored targets with precision. Next, VTOL and rotary wing UAVs. MQ-8B Fire Scout, a rotary wing UAV developed for ship-based reconnaissance and surveillance. It extends the sensor range of naval forces without risking crewed aircraft. MQ-8C Fire Scout, a larger and more capable variant with increased endurance and payload. It enhances maritime intelligence, surveillance, and targeting. Bell V-247 Vigilant, a tiltrotor unmanned aircraft concept designed for long-range naval operations. It combines vertical takeoff with high-speed cruise performance. Ares UAV, an experimental VTOL unmanned aircraft designed for vertical lift and modular payload delivery. It explored flexible mission concepts for future battlefield support. Next, maritime and underwater unmanned systems. Sea Hunter, an autonomous surface vessel designed for long-endurance naval operations. It was developed to track submarines and operate independently over extended periods. Orca XLUUV, an extra-large unmanned undersea vehicle designed for long-range and long-duration missions. It supports reconnaissance, mine warfare, and strategic payload delivery. Manta Ray, an advanced autonomous underwater vehicle focused on long-endurance operations without human support. It is designed to operate efficiently on the seabed for extended missions. Knifefish, an unmanned underwater vehicle developed for mine countermeasure operations. It uses advanced sensors to detect and classify underwater threats. REMUS 600, modular underwater drones used for reconnaissance, mine detection, and oceanographic missions. They are widely employed by the U.S. Navy and allied forces. Ghost Fleet Overlord, a large autonomous surface vessel developed to test unmanned naval operations. It supports long-range missions and fleet integration concepts. Proteus USV, a modular unmanned surface vessel designed for experimentation and payload testing. It serves as a flexible platform for future naval systems development. Next, target and training UAVs. BQM-34 Firebee, a jet-powered target drone widely used during the Cold War. It also performed reconnaissance missions and influenced later UAV development. BQM-74 Chakar, a subsonic target drone used for air defense and weapons training. It simulates enemy aircraft during live-fire exercises. BQM-167 Skeeter, a high-speed aerial target designed to replicate modern combat aircraft threats. It supports advanced missile and radar system testing. MQM-107 Streaker, a high-performance target drone used for testing air defense systems. It simulates fast and maneuverable aerial threats. AQM-37 Jayhawk, a supersonic target drone developed to simulate high-speed enemy aircraft and missiles. It is used for advanced weapons and interceptor training. Next, Cold War-era reconnaissance UAVs. Ryan Firebee series, a family of early jet-powered drones developed for reconnaissance and target roles. These UAVs became the foundation of American unmanned aviation during the Cold War. Ryan Model 147, a reconnaissance drone series derived from the Firebee platform. It was extensively used for intelligence gathering over heavily defended regions. Lightning Bug, a combat-proven reconnaissance UAV used primarily during the Vietnam War. It provided vital photographic intelligence without risking pilot lives. D-21 Tagboard, a supersonic reconnaissance drone designed to penetrate heavily defended airspace at extreme speeds and altitudes. It was originally launched from the state Route 71 Blackbird. Next, experimental and classified projects. RQ-3 Darkstar, a stealth reconnaissance UAV developed to reduce radar visibility in contested airspace. It contributed valuable data to low observable drone design despite limited service. RQ-5 Hunter, a tactical UAV developed for battlefield reconnaissance and surveillance. It was widely used for intelligence support and operational testing. Boeing Condor, a high-altitude, long-endurance experimental UAV designed for strategic surveillance. It demonstrated the feasibility of persistent unmanned flight at extreme altitudes. A 160 Hummingbird, an experimental rotary wing UAV focused on extreme endurance and altitude performance. It explored advanced helicopter design concepts. Silent Falcon, a lightweight solar-assisted UAV designed for persistent surveillance missions. It emphasized low acoustic and thermal signatures. Helios, a high-altitude, solar-powered UAV developed to explore long-endurance flight. It set multiple endurance and altitude records for unmanned aircraft. Aquila UAV, an early battlefield reconnaissance UAV developed during the Cold War. It contributed to the evolution of tactical unmanned reconnaissance systems. Friends, let us know in the comments which country's drones you'd like to see in the next video.